Yeah, they like the way I do this. When I crank it like a chainsaw. Yeah, they like the way I do this. When I crank it like a...
What is going on, guys? It's me, Golden Sneakers 23 here, and I have another upcoming kicks video for you. We got some crazy new Jordans, D Rose 6 Boost colorways. All got tons of stuff. Let's get right into it. Bam! The Jordan 11 IE Low in the Croc colorway. I don't know why they called this a Croc. Maybe because it's got like crocodile print on it, but I'd call these like the cheese colorways or like the beehive colorway because it just looks like it. These will be releasing on September 19th for $170. I like these because if you look at the tongue, it almost looks like gold with that Jordan logo. It just pops. Next, we have an Air Jordan 1.5. This colorway is called the Return. It can also be called the Black and Gum. This is our second Air Jordan 1.5 colorway of this year, 2015. The other one was the Chicago colorway. These will be releasing on either the 15th or the 19th of September. I'm not exactly sure. This is not a confirmed release date. But when they release, we know they'll be $150. Just remember, these will be releasing on either the 15th or the 19th, which is not confirmed, for $150. Finally, we have our D Rose 6 Boost in a few different colorways. This one I probably call like the Chicago Away or something. But here's a closer look for you guys. It's got heel and forefoot boost. We also have some other colorways of the D Rose 6 Boost, including this one, which I would call like the Hornets colorway or something. I'm not exactly sure. And also these, which I would probably call the Chicago Home colorway. Thank you so much to all my subscribers, new and old, and the best viewers on the planet. That's all for today on my channel, Golden Sneakers 23. Make sure to like, subscribe, do whatever. Thanks for watching.